Good morning, friends. Today we are going to learn the sum of first n terms of an arithmetic progression. So, do you know sum of first n terms? Its meaning. Number of terms we have to do their addition. As like if you see, if somebody tell you you must add the first 10 natural number sum. Tell me first 10 natural number. So at that time we have to do 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10. So like this, these are first 10 natural number. It's sum if we have to do. Then how can we do? 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 4 10, 10 plus 5 15, 15 plus 6 21, 21 plus 7 28, 28 plus 8 36, 36 plus 9 45, 45 plus 10 55. So its sum become 55. But it takes so more time, and if we want to decrease it, remove the time, then at that time we have to use the sum of first n term of an arithmetic progression. So do you know very well, if any arithmetic progression, then we are considering a is a first term, correct, and a is a first term, as well as common difference is small d. So these two terms we are going to use. So like this number of terms, suppose t1, so t1 term, if we take a, then t2, what is the second term? Do you know very well what is a t2 second term? A plus d, it is a second term. So like this t1 t2, there are number of terms. If we add those terms, then what will become? It's sum, correct? So that's why we have to make its simple formula. So we are going to use the sum of first n terms. As we find terms, that's why we have used the tn. So while we are going to find the sum of n term, that time we can use s to the base n, and Sn is equal to whatever the t1 plus t2 t3 t4, those all terms we have to do their sum. So still nth number of terms, their sum. So if we do their sum, then how will we come? If we'll put the values of t1 t2, t1 value is a, we know, t2 value is a plus d plus dash 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 till nth term. So Tn is equal to, everybody knows, we have learned the formulas. Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. It is the second last term. It's previous. You can see if we n minus 2, its meaning the term is decreasing. Term is going to decrease. That's why we have to subtract two number, because it is first and it is the last term, correct? Then if we rewrite this equation but by reverse method, Tn to still T1 means like that. If we can write the term like this, like this reversely, Sn is equal to 2n divided as T2 plus T1 means it is a reverse, as a it is a first term as a correct and next term is a like a reverse term. So then how it will become the equation? If will you write reversely, then it become Sn is equal to Tn term is, we know very well, a plus n minus 1 into d, plus it goes to increase second term a plus n minus 2 into d, plus that dash T2 we know very well, a plus d, and plus T1 is a. These are correct, but we have written only above equation in reversely. So now this, if those both terms, if we add, suppose we consider the equation first, it is equation first and later it is equation second. So first and second if we add, then add equation first and second, then what will become? Both left hand side Sn, those Sn plus Sn 2 times Sn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, first both terms, so it's addition, so it become a plus a 2a and n minus 1d as it is, so it become a plus a 2a plus n minus 1 as it is plus d. After that second term a plus d and a plus n minus 2d. So do you know its addition also come a plus a 2a plus n minus 2 and d, then plus 1d and minus 2d always become minus 1, so n minus 1 only remain. So here will become 2a plus n minus 1d. If you want its description, then I will give you. You can see here this method description. See, a plus d we can take here the second term a plus d, because we are going to add. And plus next bracket we are going to add okay. So see, addition. Now all signs are adding, so a plus a, it become 2a, plus d, okay, and here t, n minus 2d, it is a bracket and multiply by d. So if we separate the bracket, d into n, dn, minus d into 2, 2d, and plus this first d, this d as it is. Okay, so see, minus 2d and plus d, then we have to subtract, and if we subtract, then what will become? Minus d. So dn minus d, if we take once again common, then what will remain? n minus 1 into d. So like same bracket will become, correct? Okay, later plus dash second term, you can see here a plus n minus 2d, and here a plus d, same both bracket, its addition will become same bracket okay, and later at the last n plus n minus 1 d plus a, it become also same. So like this it come. So now see, equation which occurred, 2sn is equal to 2a bracket n minus 1d plus 2a bracket n minus 1d plus dash plus 2a plus n minus 1d, like this. These terms, number of times come, all terms are equal, all terms are equal. Then we can write once here only 2 Sn is equal to, these all terms are number of times it can come, that's why number of times the same bracket here. Okay, so number of time complete bracket, because you can see dash, its meaning it infinite, it cannot stop. And then if now 2sn, 2 is multiply in left hand side, it goes to another side, divide, so it become Sn is equal to n upon 2 into the bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d, and this is the formula for writing the sum of first nth terms, the formula we have to use for finding the sum of first nth terms. Okay, so let's see, like this the theorem is completed, but I want to explain you one example, so let it, you can easily understand the example how it become. If we see the example, let's find the sum of first 100 terms of arithmetic progression 14, 16, 18. Again, so let's see, first of all in the example what we have to check, whatever we have given, we have given first term. What is the first term? We are considering a is our first term, so a is equal to how much? 14, so it is a first term. After that we have to find the common difference, so check 14, 16 and 18, easily you can find difference, only two number difference is there, so small d is equal to 2, it is common difference. So we have to find the sum of first 100 terms. How many terms like this? 100 terms, and these 100 terms we have to find, its meaning there are number of terms how much? 100. So n value is 100, and all A and D we know, so we have to find the S100, means Sn is instead of 100. So we have to use the formula sum of first nth terms formula, and the formula is Sn is equal to n upon 2 bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So a and d we know, and n value we have to take 100. N is equal to 100 because 100 term we have to find out. So yes, 100 is equal to n is a 100 upon 2 in bracket 2 into a is a 14 plus n minus 100 minus 1 into d is 2. Okay, like this we have to do its calculation. Yes, 100 is equal to 100 upon 2 50 bracket 2 into 14 28 plus 100 minus 1 99 into 2. Yes, 100 is equal to 50 as it is in bracket 99 into 2 198 and plus 28 plus 198. Then 15 into 226. Then 50 into 226, do its multiplication. So its multiplication become 11,300, and this is the sum of first 100 terms. What is it? Sum of first 100 terms. Sum of first 100 terms is 11,300. Understood? Like this we have to use the sum of first n terms formula and the theorem. I hope you understand it better. If you want to take a screenshot, you can take for your reference. And if you understand the video, so please like and subscribe the video and share with your friends who are in 10th standard.